Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix our hot sold problem of eBay. Bag problem, you will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of eBay. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.